Hello, hi guys! This is Chin Rodriguez from my Sagari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. So this is weekly gabay for the month of February 2 hanggang February 8 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano na kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na yung hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalay kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na guumapaw ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. And of course, guys, umpisa na natin ang laban for this sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, tingnan natin ano magiging pasabog sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Okay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me an information. Ano kaya gusto sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? So, there's a Knight of Wands, there's silence. So, yun yung sinasabi, tahimik lang dapat, no? There's an information na parang, diba, konting tiyaga, konting, kumbaga, push pa. There's a perseverance na parang sinasabi magtiyaga ka. And of course, there's an information na parang there's a first step, no? There's kumbaga, nasa tamang procedure, ganon. And of course, there's Five of Wands. So, there's a conflict talaga. May gumagawa ng something conflict or there's a complication. And of course, guys, there's a King of Swords. So, there's a truth, no? Para kumbaga magkakaroon ka na ng mental clarity. And the Page of Wands is a good news. May magandang balita dito. And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. So, see? Ito raw ay gumagawa. Oh my God, pinagsama-sama na. So, there's an information na gumagawa daw ng kumbaga may nagbabackstab daw sa'yo dito at gumagawa ng hindi maganda. And at the same time, there's an Empress card. Maaaring babae yung gumagawa sa'yo ng Five of Cups is something regret, no? Or something disappointment. And of course, sinasabi dito parang something guilt. Nagagalit to, no? Something na may galit sa'yo. Itong taong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. So, let's see. What is additional messages? Angel Spirit Guides. And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. And of course, there's a Ace of Wands. So there's an information na parang there's a travels, communication, and of course a new beginning coming in for you. Magkakaroon ka na bago extend at bago simula dito. So let's see what is the Nine of Wands. And of course, there's the King of Wands, visions. So, ibig sabihin, talasan mo yung intuitions, no? Kumbaga, maging tahimik ka, and of course, kailangan mo na lang siguro maging private ang iyong buhay. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. So, there's a mental clarity. And of course, there's a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka dito kahit anong gawin nila, anumang gawin nilang eksena sa'yo. So, this is the information na parang, magtatagumpayan mo. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles, magiging balance, no? Kumbaga, there's an information dito na maaaring, kumbaga, there's a gift by the universe na, kumbaga, may tulong sa'yo ang ating, may kapal, no? Tutulungan ka na ating Panginoon, no? So, kung ano man yung nararanasan, ano man nararamdaman mo. And the justice will be served, no? May karma. No? Etong karma na to ay maaaring nararanasan na nila. There's a Page of Wands na may magandang balita. O see, I told you, there's a Ten of Swords in the Empress card, and of course, the Five of Cups is information na taong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda ay may galit sa'yo. And the Ten of Cups is family related. Oh my God. So, information na parang something may traiduran. There's a backstabbing or something, information na aaring talagang tinraidor ka ng pamilya mo. And of course, there's a Seven of Swords, there's a sneakiness. So, there's an information na para kumukuha itong information. Kumbaga, may mga nagme-message or nag-email or something, kumukuha ng informasyon to. Itong tao na to, kumbaga, may mga taong, kumbaga, inuutusan siya para maging daan para makakuha ng informasyon. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and of course, the King of Wands. And of course, there is the Hangman. So, itong information na to para sinasabi sa'yo, you're feeling stuck, you're feeling hung, or something lutang ka. no? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga kailangan mo i-release and let go yung lahat ng yan. And there's a chariot card, there's an action, no? Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon na ng movement or action tong mga eksena mo na to. Matatapos na suddenly. And of course, there's a strength card, kailangan mo lang confident at kailangan mo maging matapang by spiritual. And of course, there's a six of swords by transition, makakaalis ka na sa situation. So let's see what is the 10 of swords. And of course, the Empress card and the 5 of cups represent the 10 of cups. So there's a 3 of swords. O see, there's a pain. Ibig sabihin, tina-target ka sa puso nito, no? There's a heartbreak or there's a betrayal or something, information na nagkaroon ng separation or heartache. So suddenly, talagang tong tao na to may galit sa'yo. So let's see what is the 8 of wands and of course the Ace of wands and the 7 of swords. And of course, there's a magician. So see, there's an information that all, kumbaga, that all the things, no, na nangyayari behind your back is all about magic, no? Kumbaga, may taong gumagawa about some magic. There's a black magic involved. And of course, there's a manipulator. Minamanipulate niya yung mga tao sa paligid niya. Oh my God. So let's see what is the outcome. Ano yung pinaka magandang kalalabasan ng eksena ng reading na ito? Ano ang pinaka mailalahad natin or may bibigay nating impormasyon na kumbaga sa lahat na naging sakripisyo na to, ano yung magiging kalalabasan? So there's a Queen of Sword. Kumbaga the bigger picture of yourself. Kumbaga nakita mo na yung sarili mo 5 years, 10 years from kumbaga malayo ka na sa dating ikaw. Kumbaga nagkaroon ka na independent, no? Kumbaga natauhan ka na sa mga nangyari sa'yo from the past. And of course there's a 4 of Sword. Listen to your intuition. No? Kumbaga ito yung isa sa nagiging blockages, yung fear, anxieties and stress mo. Yun yung nagkukos kaya siguro kumbaga nandun ka pa rin sa situation. At the same time, there's a Queen of Pentacles, maging practical ka sa lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo. Because there's a mature and grounded person na tumutulong sa'yo. Additional messages. So, there's a Three of Pentacles, collaboration, no? And teamwork. And the Three of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, nagtutulong-tulong to para, di ba, gawang ka ng eksena. There's a fear. Ito yung gumugulo sa isipan mo. Ito yung gumugulo sa utak mo. There's a negativity. There's a deep unhappiness. So, there's a stress. Yun yung nagkakos, no? May taong inutusan or pinagawang ka talaga ng hindi maganda. Ginugulo nito utak mo. Additional messages. And of course, there's a King of Cups. So, there's a devoted and supportive person. Ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga, may taong sumusuporta at talagang gumagabay sa'yo. And of course, there are 8 of Pentacles na focus, no? Kumbaga, para makapag-focus kayo, at the same time, kumbaga, kahabaan mo lang yung pasensya mo. Last more card. So, there's a Hierophant, and of course, the Queen of Cups. So, there's a healing, and of course, there's an education and lesson learned. Kailangan mo matuto, matuklasan, at malaman ang kagalingan sa lahat ng aspeto. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong i-let go at kailangan mong pakawalan yung lahat ng mga iniisip mong negativities. And of course, sabi dito, kumbaga, kailangan mong matuto sa mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. I-secure mo rin about sa sarili mo. So, let's see, about naman sa career. So, pagdating sa career is the High Priestess. So, there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies. And the Ace of Cups is a new beginning. And of course, a new romance and love and happiness coming in for you. Let's see, additional messages for love life. So, there's a Nine of Wands, so slow and steady. At the same time, there's a Moon. So, there's an intuition. So, makinig ka lang sa intuition mo, no? So, there's a dreams. So, there's an intuition rather, di ba? So, let's see, additional messages for health. So, there's a Page of Pentacles, investment. So, kailangan mo mag-invest sa sarili mo. And there's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. And the Knight of Swords is a success and mental activity. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo lang kaliwanagan sa kaisipan. Yun yung gumugulo sa'yo about sa health mo. Additional messages. So, there's the word card. So, there's an information na para magsasucess ka pagdating sa health. Walang problema sa health mo. Kumbaga, ang pinaka gumugulo dito yung isip mo. So, let's see. What is additional messages for magical fairy messages? For magical fairy messages, they paid off the old weight and habit of debt is lifted from you and your life. So, ibig sabihin, yung nagpapabigat dito yung, siguro yung nakaraan, no? Siguro ganon. Siguro merong may ano pa, may ano yung nakaraan mo may something na parang mayroong dito, sir, see there's a walking away. So meron talagang eksena sa nangyari sa nakaraan. So there's a walking away. So it means kailangan mong magpakalayo-layo. Ganon. Kailangan walang makakuha impormasyon sa'yo. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. So there's a control. So and of course, ay pa yung control. There's an ego, drama and pride. And ego. And of course, there's a vanity. Alisin mo yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay or something drama. And there's a higher self-activation. No? Kumbaga, ilapit mo ang sarili mo sa ating Panginoon. At the same time, there's a purpose. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung purpose mo sa buhay. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Pagdating sa love life, ano ang eksena dito? There's an attractions. You're attracted romance love by enjoying this moment fully. Parang na, kumbaga, minamahal mo na ngayon yung sarili mo. Parang na-attract ka sa sarili mo. And there's a getting to know each other. So, kailangan kilalanin mo yung isa't isa, no? Getting to know and bond each other. Parang palalimin mo ang iyong relasyon sa iyong minamahal. And of course, there's a rejection, no? Kumbaga, alisin mo yung gumugulo sa isip mo for the chakra. And of course, there's an impatient. Nagiging bugnot, and of course, parang nagiging mainipin ka or something, nawawala yung nawawala yung kumbaga patience mo, ganon. And there's a trickery, no? Meron ditong panloloko or something, niloloko ka, or kumbaga there's a trickery, parang nagsisinungaling behind your back. So let's see what is Archangel Michael. Parang nililinlang ka. And there's a lean on God and angel support you. See, nandito ang Panginoon at ating mga anghel, ginagabay at sinusuportahan ka. Wow! Ano kasi sinasabi dito? Eternal love. Ito yung pag-ibig na talagang, 'di ba? Everlasting promises na panghabang buhay talaga. So let's see what is additional messages. Your children's worth over by angels. So ibig sabihin, some of you, kung may mga anak, no, ginagabayan natin ng mga angels, and take your time to make a decision. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-decision dito as soon as possible. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. For angel spirit, give an information. So, there's a loneliness. Hindi ka nag-iisa dito. And kasi tignan mo there's a humor, no? Pataasin mo yung sense of humor mo. Tignan mo lagi yung lighter side of situation. Huwag ka tumitingin sa puro nega. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a courage, no? Kung mag-encourage mo yung sarili mo, have confidence, maging matapang, alisin yung takot at pangamba, at matutong lumaban. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, there's a white by enlightenment and of course, divinity. May mga bagay dito na parang bibigyan ka na kaliwanagan. At the same time, there's a adaptivity by personal power. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, kailangan mo lang palawakin ang kaalaman mo at kaisipan mo pagdating sa spiritual. And there's an empowerment by perseverance. So, kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, there's speaker, orasyon, may nag-orasyon, or there's a spiritual teacher. I told you, kailangan mo na albularyo, oh my God. Kailangan mo na manggagamot, kailangan mong gamutin dito. Ino-orasyonan ka. Or something, kaya mo rin mag-orasyon, or either, no? Kaya mo rin, kumbaga, it's either baka there's a spiritual activation para tinutulungan ka na magiging manggagamot ka rin, or magkakaroon ka na kakayanan para manggamot, gano'n. And there's an information by yes. Oh my God, there's an Archangel Raphael for healing is yes. No? Gagaling ka sa anumang uri ng kakaramdaman. And there's a relationship, pati sa relasyon. Oh my God. Ibig sabihin dito, it's all about relationship. No? Yung ginagawa sa'yo, it's all about relationship. So, let's see additional messages. And there's you're not alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. At the same time, weight of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, i-let go mo rin yung mga bagay-bago or pabigat or hindi mo kayang bit-bitin. There's a boundaries. Kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries sa alam mong, di ba? Kumbaga, alam mong puro nega or toxic na yung tao na yan. Kumbaga, iwasan mo na, i-block mo na. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Take action. So, kailangan mo talaga kumilos. Additional messages. You're ready. So, ibig sabihin, maghanda ka. And there's an helpful people. Marami kang tutulungan tao or maraming taong tutulong sa'yo. Additional messages. Be assertive. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. No? So, let's see what is the energy. Let's see what is the energy. And there's a blossoming abundance. Talagang lalago at lalakas ang iyong finances. There's a blossoming abundance. And of course, there's Angel of Love. So, meron talaga dito pagdating sa pag-ibig, no? Ay pagdating sa balance, spiritual, love, relationship, career, health, balance. Magiging balance ka dito. And the word represent a travel. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, meron the word din dito nagre-represent talaga na may travel ka talaga. So, let's see what is the Monsology. O talagang galang-gala ka. Ang sinasabi dito, a new romantic cycle begins. So, magsisimula ng panibagong cycle pagdating sa relasyon. And there's have faith in your dreams na magtiwala ka lang sa pangarap mo. And your dreams need a practical plan. So, kailangan mo ng practical na plano para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Do shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind. So see, tanggapin mo at of course, mahalin mo ang ating Panginoon sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. No? Para maging iisa. Diba? Para na sa ganun, lumakas ang yung kakayanan at lumakas ang yung spiritual. So let's see what is the angel's answer. Or either nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba or something, pag-aalinlangan, kaya siguro hindi buo yung spiritual mo. And there's a 26 by I am attachable. You have a desires to succeed and will feel most accomplished when your work benefits others. Your intuitive awareness of what people's want allow you to come up with an innovative solution to meet their needs. So, ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, maraming tao lumalapit sa humihingi ng tulong para solusyonan yung mga problema nila, which is, kumbaga nakakatulong ka sa kanila talaga na malaki. At the same time, kumbaga, kung may mga pangarap ka, no, may isa sa katuparan mo yan, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Ano yung pinaka-message sa'yo ng buhay? Messages of life, give me an information. Yung tatatak talaga. There's a searching within. No? What I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, empower myself by looking past outer condition and searching within for the source of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides my best answer, my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed. So, ibig sabihin nito, parang kailangan mong hanapin yung sarili mo. Kailangan mong tuklasin yung mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan at kailangan mo malaman para sa sarili mong kapakanan. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga kailangan mo magkaroon ng pondo at kumbaga dasalin nang sa ganon maging matibay at maging malakas ka at lumapit ka sa ating Panginoon. Buong kumbaga sarili mo ang ialay mo sa kanya, no? Kumbaga magtiwala ka na kumbaga ililigtas ka niya at ilalayo ka niya sa kapahamakan. Maniwala ka lang. So this is weekly gabay for the month of February 2 hanggang February 8 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. Comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And the notification bell for more videos update. And of course guys, maraming salamat po sa mga nag-share ng aking videos sa anumang uri ng social media platforms. Maraming salamat po. And of course guys, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapang biyay manabalik sa inyo. And of course guys, don't forget, maraming salamat po. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!